Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shiana. Hi, I welcome you if you are new, and if you are already part of the family that has subscribed, then what's up, gang? So for today's video, I'm showing you this beautiful bomb Wet n Wavy wig unit that I have bought from the beauty supply store for like $100 something. Like, kid you not, this wig was $100. Like, you wouldn't be able to tell me that this hair didn't come from my scalp for $100. So if you are interested in seeing and knowing about this unit that I have, then just keep on watching. What is up, guys? So I am back with another video and some pigtails because I took my twists out and I bought a wig from the beauty supply store to turn into a bob. Now I've already kind of pulled it out of the packaging because I'm just impatient and I had to see what it looked like. It is a Wet n Wavy wig, but I'm planning on wearing it straight in a sense. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig and like style it on camera for you guys. It's been such a long time since I've talked to you guys, so I'm like gonna do a talk through as much as I possibly can without my girlfriend screaming and yelling while she's playing the game. So I do apologize if you hear her. So I'm getting the packaging and stuff out because I pulled it out of the packaging because I'm so impatient. I haven't talked to y'all in a long time, so we're gonna talk today. COVID happened. COVID freaking happened. And I want to say, like, I did one video, which was a patio video, which if you haven't seen, go see. I literally revamped my patio within like a month's time span, encapsulated in one video. So yeah, it's definitely worth the watch. That's the only time I had to record because I was so focused on the patio and I wanted it to be like a really good video for you guys. So I did that, but then like after that I just kind of like fell off the wagon. Okay, so here is the packaging for the wig. The wig was $130, but I paid $110 for it, I believe, or maybe it was 20% off. So however much 20% off of $130 is. Anyways, this is the wig, so I'm gonna let y'all see. What does it say? Nude fresh wet wavy lace front, 100% Brazilian natural human hair. It has a 5-inch part and ear to ear lace. The color is natural dark. It has hair care instructions on the back if you choose to look at that, but that's not really necessary. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back and put my wig cap on because I need to put my wig cap on. I feel like I need to retrain myself because I ain't wore a wig in so long. Because I had box braids and then I had the twists. So like, here we are. I've just been like trying to focus on like my Instagram content more or less. I think that's why I fell off so bad with YouTube, and I feel so bad because y'all the ones that y'all really stick with me, but we try to grow together. So like, let's conjoin both Instagram and YouTube, and if you don't follow me on one of those, then you need to go ahead and change that because yeah, there's no reason why that's the case. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slap some foundation on it. But yeah, I've been trying to like focus on my Instagram and like get my makeup content better. And I don't really know if y'all like to see my makeup content that much, so I don't really try to do too much of that on here because like I have other skills and I prefer to show those skills here with y'all because it's more genuine, you know. Versus Instagram, it's a pic and a post. It's just there's no life to it, you know. The inside of the wig has 3 combs, adjustable straps. You can't even see that. Okay, there we go. So comb here, and then comb here. Ear to ear lace in the part. This is a middle part wig, but I will be wearing it as a side part because that's how I'm feeling today. I'm feeling a little sassy. I'm gonna cut this lace off, put a little bit of powder on the lace. I don't feel like bleaching the knots tonight, but I will eventually bleach the knots. So for now, I am gonna put some foundation powder in it, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I need to go get my flat iron. Or actually, I could probably just cut it dry like this. I'm gonna take this to the bathroom. Okay, so I'm just kind of like combing the hair out just to make sure it's super smooth, because I am about to cut some of the length off to create like the bob that I want. And I didn't want to cut it too short because I was afraid that when I cut it too short, there's no going back. So I did leave a little bit of length, as much as I could, until I got the desired shape that I wanted. So as you can see here, I'm just cutting off the bulk of the hair, because after I did that, I went ahead and took the wig off of the mannequin, off of my head, and put it on my mannequin and kind of cleaned up the cut. Okay, so quick little side tip. When cutting a bob on a wig head, I will say that the back underneath the nape will always be longer than the outside hair, because when you're combing through it, it doesn't come all the way through. So when you're combing, make sure that you're grabbing the hair underneath the nape. Okay, so now I'm about to go in and straighten it. I'm just putting my heat protectant all over the hair. Now, my personal opinion, I think this hair just needs to stay curly, because the hair did not withstand the night. When I went out, of course, it was humid, but this hair wanted to wave right back up. I kid you not, it kind of mimics my natural hair, because it wanted to get like really wavy when it got frizzy and humid around. So just do keep that in mind. If you do get this wig, it's not going to stay straight, unless, that's my personal opinion. I did just straighten it straight out of the pack, so I'm not sure if me washing it and blow drying it would make a difference, which I probably will do later on and show you guys. But I do feel like this hair just needs to stay curly, in my opinion, with what I experienced. So don't knock me if you have this wig and it stays straight. I think this will be easier on my head, so we're just gonna do that. All right, so for my baby hairs, I kind of like pre-lay them down with like jam, because my baby hairs just do not stay. So after I do that, I just go over it with Gorilla Snot just to make sure it holds. And I just run that through it so you can see me do that. All right, so to finish up, I just kind of go over the top just to make sure it's super straight. This is the finished look for what it looks like straight and cut as a bob. In the next clip, I'm going to be showing you me bleaching the knots and wearing it curly. Okay, so I'm in the process of bleaching the knots because I didn't bleach them last night, and I didn't even get to show y'all the finished look because your girl ran low on time. So I'm just re-recording this video, and I'm gonna wear it curly too, as you can see, so you guys can see the wet and wavy and like the blow dried outlook. The hair itself doesn't necessarily like to stay straight because it's wet and wavy in a sense. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I use for the bleach. So I use just some 40 volume developer that I got from the beauty supply store, and my Joico Blonde Life. I got this from my local state beauty supply for my cosmetology license. We'll see how this lightens because this is wet and wavy hair, and it's a store-bought wig, so I'm not sure how well these knots are gonna bleach. So I'm gonna leave this on for like 30 minutes and let it process. So I'll come back. I just finished recording this makeup look, and I wanted to come back on here and show you how I installed the wig, because I never actually showed y'all the final, not really the final, but what it looked like after I bleached the knots. So I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig now for you guys so you can kind of see what it looks like on with it being curly, because since you've already seen what it looks like straight, and it was just wet, so now it's dry, and I'm gonna put product and everything in it and show you what products I've used in the hair so you can see like its natural curl pattern and everything like that. So here is the wig itself. So I kind of already have a little bit of powder in it, but this is the wig dry. You know, I've been wearing it in a side part, and I already have somewhat baby hairs that I kind of plucked a little and made a little bit more natural looking hairline, and I left a little bit of lace to kind of blend in with my foundation and like my powder and stuff. Two things that I use when applying my wigs is the wig cap and a wig grip. If you don't know what a wig grip is, I'm gonna show you here in a second. So a wig grip basically is a band that helps your wig stay on, so that way you don't have to put so much friction on your own hair per se. So like when I use the wig grip, I don't really put the combs in because it's not really necessary. So this is my wig grip. I got this sent to me when I got a wig sent from Long Key Beauty. And then I always have to pull my ear out because the way this wig is positioned crooked, because that's how I wanted to wear it. So this is what it normally looks like when I wear it, but I do like to pull this little section down right here, and then I just take my mousse, this is foam wrap mousse. I just kind of like smooth my hair out. Here lately I've been putting these two little cute clips on the side, so that's why it's like super slick right here, which I'm going to put them back in because I just think they're adorable. And for my picture purposes, I'm definitely gonna want to have them in my hair. And I'm just gonna use a little bit and put it on this little piece that I'm gonna keep down. So I kind of just mousse the top. Sometimes I'll remousse the curls, but like these curls is popping. Like I want y'all to see like the legit curl pattern of this hair, so I'm cutting the brightness up. But like there's just a little bit of mousse and curl cream in this wig, which I'll show you the curl cream here in a second. But like, do y'all see these curls? Before I actually put my clips back in, I need to lay the baby hairs down. Okay, so I'm gonna use my invisible styling gel from the Got To Be glue line, and I just kind of run over the top of my hair, and then I'll take my powder. It's this one right here. It's actually a little darker than what it looks like on camera, but it just matches my skin like perfect. So I'll just like lay it directly in. You wouldn't have been able to clock me, sis. Who hair? My hair. Yeah, I'm on that. I'm gonna add my little clips to my hair now. So this is the hair in all its glory. I really haven't experienced shedding. Only time I did was when I plucked the lace frontal area, but this is like a perfect everyday wig. I kid you not. It mimics close to my hair texture, It is a little bit looser, but you wouldn't have been able to know that just by looking at this hair. You would have thought it was my natural hair, because of the way this curl pattern is. Like, my friend literally told me, she was like, why are you not wearing it curly? And I'm like, I don't know, I just didn't think it would be cute, and I absolutely love it. Like, I haven't wore it straight since I wet it. Like, it's just absolutely fun and simple and cute and clean, and I could just dress it up or dress it down, honestly, by straightening it or just wearing it curly like this. I do enjoy it, and the curl is not like unmanageable. Anytime I wash it, it literally just all of the products just come straight out. It combs very easily. It hasn't even been tangling all that much, like, because it's so short in the backs. I haven't really had an issue with like nape knotting, because it's like right on my neck. The hair like curls together in a sense, where the form just kind of like unravels itself, so it's not really like tangly. So like even up here, like I don't get tangling or anything like that. It just kind of stays just like this, especially with what the products and stuff I use. Oh, speaking of which, I used this curl cream. So this is the curl cream that I use. It's the Curl Defining R & Co turntables. That's what I used on the hair, this and that mousse, and that's pretty much it. Like, it doesn't get all that frizzy. The only time it gets frizzy is when like the wind is blowing and I'm in my car and like it's just blowing everywhere. But besides that, like, this hair is so easy to manage. Like, I just plop it on, take it off, and that's my routine. But that is all for this hair review slash demo show and tell. If y'all have any questions about this hair that I haven't actually mentioned or went over, please make sure to let me know in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to answer those questions. If you are not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Join the fam, because why not? We're all a loving and sharing family here, so I will show support if you show yours. But that is all that I have for this video. Make sure you check out the other videos that I will be uploading as well, because kid you not, I did my makeup, I did the foundation review, and now I did the hair review. So make sure to check out all 3 of those if you're watching this one, and the other ones have already been uploaded. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.